Just back here unloading all this wonderful hurricane relief supplies from Triumph Christian Church in Porter, right?
Porter, Texas.
Porter, Texas.
Bill Meadows, pastor.
A small congregation, a huge contribution from this congregation. We really appreciate it. We're going to take it up to people in North Carolina. Thanks for all the great work from the Triumph Christian Church in Porter, Texas. Thank you, sir. Gallery Furniture collecting donations of non-perishable food items, hygiene products, warm clothing, especially for the cold mountain regions of North Carolina, and other essentials. These folks are desperate for manual can openers to open the canned goods they've received. Something simple but oh so necessary. Your generosity can make a huge difference. Visit galleryfurniture.com for a full list of items collected. Houston, we know what it's like. We've been through hurricanes ourselves, and now it's our turn to help those in need. Through the grace of God, we're safe and healthy today. Let's pay that forward. Bring your donations to Gallery Furniture North Freeway or Gallery Furniture in Richmond on Highway 99 in West Belford. Let's stand together as a community. God, duty, family, honor, country. This is how we show our love for our fellow American citizens. Thank you, Houston. Together, we can make a huge difference. Well, we're loading it on the truck now. We're taking the third and fourth truckloads up to the hurricane victims next week. Still going on every night till 9 o'clock, 9 in the morning, 9. Bring your supplies out here. The list is on the website at Gallery Furniture. Will be updated as soon as our first people get to North Carolina tomorrow, and they're on the ground seeing what all people need other than what we've got on the list. But keep bringing those supplies. Very much needed and very much appreciated. Thanks to Triumph Christian Church in Porter for a huge contribution.